Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change screen sleep time on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to change screen sleep time on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just click in the start icon in the bottom left. After that, here type settings, and after that select system, and then you see here power and sleep. Just click on it, and here you can see screen on, battery, power, turn off after. Here you can select the time, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. And here when plugged in, you can select here the time, and here sleep on battery power, you can here just select the time, and here when plugged in PC goes to sleep after, here you can just adjust the time. This is what you need to do if you want to know how to change screen sleep time on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.